guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're going to talk about 7 ways to make your video blogs, your videos, your vlogs more interesting. Realize that this implies that all of my videos are interesting, and that is true. Just kidding. The tips here are based on my observation of watching a lot of YouTube. Probably too much YouTube. Is there such a thing? Definitely not. 1. Angles. Lots of them. Angles give the impression that something is happening, or maybe something's changing, or offer a point of view. Angles can give context about place, event, or action. And it can even make it feel like you're sending a different message, even if you're saying the same message. Even if this was driving the same message, or this, and if this was the same message, or this, same message. Sometimes it can make slow messages go faster. Point number 2 is nice and simple, and that is tone of voice. Tone of voice really talks about imparting emotion, importance, sadness, curiosity, excitement. Excitement. Monotone also does a fair bit of job, and really it can build your character. So whatever that tone of voice is authentic to you. Point number 3 is gestures. Are gestures? Gestures of the body, gestures of the hands, gestures of moving things. Sometimes this can be a bit annoying, but movement of yourself being kind of helps. It creates this effect of strengthening what it is that you're saying, whether that's a question, whether it's a point that you're trying to drive home, or whether you're just having a conversation. I mean, this is okay as well. That's probably why newscasters don't use a lot of gestures, and a lot of the communication, is that what I was saying? Communication is in the tone of voice. But I feel like vlogs are a really personable way to connect. Therefore, non-verbal cues, gestures like this kind of work when it comes to engagement. Well, that's what I've seen anyway. Point number 4 is music. Music can really set the tone of your video. It can set an emotion. It can make a lot of sort of normal things be fun or sad or exciting or emotional, depending on the music that you put. Point number 5 is titles. Titles have the power to reiterate a message that you're already saying. For example, if I were giving instructions or key points to what I wanted to say, and then I put the word up here as well, and then let's say we paired it with sound effects or music, even better. Point number 6 is speed of footage. Whew. You can really make some things very dramatic or very cool or very, cool with speed. Check this out. Point number 7 is nice and easy. It is information. Wow, that sounds weird. It is information. I mean, a lot of the time, vlogging or video blogs has a lot to do with telling stories, sharing information, recording, documenting, and when you're able to communicate that information in a way that's digestible, that's always a good thing. Now, if you're watching this video and kind of think, wow, that's actually a lot and I'm just beginning, don't let any of what I've told you stop you. If anything, use it to inform you and start experimenting. The only way that you're going to get better is by practicing. Do, and learn. I'm definitely no filmmaker, but I have really enjoyed watching a lot of different vloggers, a lot of different filmmakers, and analyzing the techniques that they use to be able to put a story together and then impart a message. Those are my 7 points for how you can make a video interesting. I hope you like this video. I want to hear your thoughts. Was there anything there that you have watched time and time again and never really consciously noticed? And if so, what was it? Let me know if you've got any questions below, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. See you in the next video.